Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for tapping that subscribe button. But if you've not subscribed, please just tap that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. And welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let's get right into it. So if you are a new YouTuber, or you're just starting up your channel, or you've started up a channel for a long time now, but then you notice that you're not growing, or you also want more tips to grow on YouTube, then this video is for you. Okay, so the title of the content we're going to be discussing today is how to get your first 100 subscribers fast in 1 week. Yeah, you heard me right. Okay guys, so the first tip I'm going to be giving you today is number 1, make your content searchable. Yes, create searchable content. What do I mean by that? You know, YouTube is a very big search engine. It is the second biggest search engine, if I'm not wrong, and it makes use of SEO. It uses SEO to optimize content here. So this SEO helps you to know the kind of content you put out and where to categorize it. That is it. So make your content searchable. Okay, it is very, very important. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. And if you notice, if you've tried, everybody has tried to browse one or two things using Google. So when you go on Google to type in or to browse whatever thing you are searching for, you notice that YouTube videos pop out. That's to show you that YouTube, in fact, any content you are creating on YouTube, you need to make it searchable. Okay, make it easier for people to find it. All right. Okay. Next thing is promote or advertise your YouTube channel on other social media platforms that you are on. You get that? You need to promote, you need to advertise yourself. If you don't advertise yourself, nobody will do it for you. You need to really put down whatever pride you think you have, or whatever thing you think is going through your head, and put out your link to people. Share it to people. Share it to your Instagram followers, to your Instagram page, to your WhatsApp status, to your WhatsApp friends and Facebook friends and everything. For example, now when I started mine, I shared mine to my Instagram page, shared it to my WhatsApp friends, my WhatsApp status, shared it to as many people as I could, even people I was not talking to, because we need the views. Yeah, we need the views. Every view counts. You get the point. What I'm trying to say is that for you to become, or for you to grow to a certain level, you need support from wherever you can get it from. So that you need to give YouTube a sign that, okay, this person is actually ready to be very serious with this content creation thing and ready to put out good content that people actually like and all that. Number 3, study other big YouTubers' channel. Yeah, yes, when I mean study other big YouTubers, I don't mean you should go and copy whatever thing they are creating. No, don't do that. Go to their pages or go to their channels, check out videos that are doing well, try to create things alongside it, but don't copy exactly what they are doing, because if you do, sis, your video will not go far. Brother, your video will just be there. So one thing YouTube actually promotes is that when you get a content that is actually very good, a content idea that is very good, when you want to put it to place, try making it in a very unique and beautiful way that kind of different from what others have made, and it will help you rank more in their algorithm. Okay. 4, make eye-catching thumbnails. This was the very first thing I learned before starting up a YouTube channel. Yes, it's very important, because while people scroll through their explore page while they are on YouTube, those thumbnails are what make them click on your video. That's very true. And why you have to make it eye-catching, because, or should I say, make your videos in such a way that whoever scrolls is not going to pass the video. Let me just put it like that, because your thumbnails need to be very crisp and clear. Aside being crisp and clear, it needs to be eye-catching. You need to put emotion into it. You need to take your time to edit your thumbnails. It will really go a long way in helping you get more views, and from views it converts to subscribers. Okay. Number 5, take your time to modify your title. It is very important, because it helps with the SEO optimization thing that we've been talking about. When you put keywords in your title, it helps you to place your video in whatever category it's meant to be, and thereby making it rank more on the search page. Do you get? So it's very important you have keywords in your titles. So you take your time and create your titles, search for titles. All right. Number 6 is a very important tip. Ask people to subscribe to your channel as they click on your video. For example, now, while you clicked on this video, what did you see? The first thing you saw was, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favorite Opera, and if you're new here, if you're just seeing this face for the first time, please don't make it your last. Kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Do you know the funny thing is that do you know that people don't actually know that they need to subscribe to your channel? They don't know. That's why you need to tell them, because if you notice, most of the time people watch your video and they end up liking it, but then you see that you're not getting much subscribers and you're asking what's going on. That's why you need to tell them at the beginning of that video, beginning and end of the video, tell them to subscribe to it. Tell them, because some of them, I don't know, some people don't know that they're supposed to subscribe, so that's why you need to tell them. And after all, subscribing is free. So please guys, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please just hit that button now. Subscription is free. Thank you. Okay, all right. Okay, number 7 is post regularly. Yes, as a new YouTuber starting your channel, you need to post regularly, because there's every possibility that for every video you post you get new subscribers. That's the truth. So you need to be consistent and post regularly, not just post anything you want to post, but use the tips I've talked about earlier to post and create good content, so you post them regularly. Okay, number 8, focus on giving your very best to your audience. This video shouldn't, or your content shouldn't only be about you or the reason why you're on YouTube is because you want to make money. No, focus on your audience. You need to give your audience the best. You need to make them always want to come back for more. So make sure you take your audience seriously. Okay, number 9, have fun. Yes, you heard me. Have fun while making content, because you need to show your audience that you're a human being too now. Have fun. It's not just all work and no play. Have fun so they know you're a human being. So don't be all serious all the time. At least once in a while, just show your human nature. Okay, it's very important to make people connect more with you. Okay, and last but not the least, tip number 10, tell people to like your video. Yes, tell people to like your video, because it will actually help you signal to YouTube that this video is a good content and it needs to be pushed out to a bigger or larger audience. Okay, so it's very vital you tell people to like your video, just as I'm about to tell you guys now. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and if you loved this video, please, I know you loved it, for you to stay to the end, you loved it, so please give this video a thumbs up and tell me more things or whatever thing you would like me to talk about here on this channel. And thank you so much for staying till the very end. Thank you for coming back. I know you also come back. See ya in my next video. Bye.